2025 and it's only May the 4th.
Okay. What is that?
Good morning, Vietnam! We gotta do some chores really quickly. Ducks, chickens, chickens. Let's go. They're scared. Oh, there's still water in that. Can't reach it, Governor. I gotta be fast here, 'cause these little suckers are quick. Quick, look. No, get back in there. We get them food now. Nothing goes to waste. One. This one is now full. Now we do the ducks. Ducks done. Maximum effort. I can't get it. Oh, it's wiggling. Nope, can't get it. That was a workout right there. Woo, sweet cheese. Toilet. Ugh. Nothing goes to waste here. Figure it out. Raindrops are falling on my waterer. Oh, we're almost there.
Just a man watching his duck. Look at those pretty little butt nuggets.
We have a lot of laundry. We started it yesterday. We're gonna try and finish it today. Load one. Okay, we got a few chores we've got to do in the house. Put the clean dishes away. Put the dirty dishes away. We're going to the garden today, y'all. We're gonna go get in the garden. There's some vegetables we're gonna harvest because it's going to seed. So we gotta get this done quickly. It's towels. OxyClean. Powdered, put together from the store detergent. Softener. About that much. In the softener.
Hey girl, how you doing?
Detergent. Hey daddy.
How you been?
How you doing?
No, how you's doing, huh? Huh? How you's doing?
Wait a minute. You talking to me like that all the time? Detergent. I'm blushing. In the detergent slot. We're gonna do one blanket at a time. Speed wash. Start that bad boy. Back to dishes. Oh my god. I just want to strangle him. I really want to just sometimes, because he says that, you know, he reuses them. There's stuff in here. I have to clean it now. Yay! I love my husband. I love my husband. I love my husband. Yeah, we noticed you weren't going anywhere. So if
And
you
I
guys
was
are wondering, this is the one of my youngest I was talking about earlier. Y'all can find him on TikTok
Yo.
and YouTube.
That white 6.6.
There it is. Transmission control module. That's first one of 4. We have a transmission fluid pressure sensor switch, C circuit low, fluid pressure sensor, which is probably not reading the fluid pressure accurately, telling it not to shift. 4 codes, 2 of them are exactly the same. Glow plug module, transmission control module, P0700 is a historic code, but that wasn't here yesterday.
That was the one that I had yesterday before I cleared it, remember?
Yeah. Transmission fluid pressure switch, that's new. It wasn't here yesterday. Low communication with instrument cluster, that's a historical code that was here yesterday. So
I have an ant on me. I don't want to get bit.
it's TCM. It's got to be a TCM, and the TCM is not reading, it's not reading that sensor, or that sensor's going bad, and it's causing TCM to go stir crazy.
And then the plug right here is fine. Here, I'll get you another view right here.
Point.
So this right here is one of the, right here.
Focus, fucker.
Right here.
I got it.
This is one of your thingy things, your plugs for your trans. And then on the other side is the main one, and I had transmission fluid all on it. So then we put dielectric grease in it and sprayed it with alcohol. Got it all out.
You are literally the Puerto Rican version of Mr. Clean, plus a beard. I like it. Picasso!
And then
She hot.
I know, thank you.
No, like she too hot. Hey, pop your hood and check your transmission fluid.
there's all kinds of stuff. Cause mama, I'm coming home. Hey Pops. This is like very, very, very hot and like very, very, very low. I'm thinking. Honest answer, I can barely see. And I just checked this 3 days ago.
Well, you guys went to Albany last night too.
But he didn't take this truck.
Ooh.
Is it low?
Ooh.
What's in it?
Hey, it smells burnt.
It smells burnt.
Yeah.
It's oil.
And it does not look healthy.
It's black. It's oil.
That's trans fluid.
Oh shit, that's not
What
normal.
color is it?
Black.
Black?
It looks black.
It's supposed to be red.
It's black.
know. So I'm getting scared. See, here's my oil. See my oil.
Oh yeah, you got oil.
If it ain't red, it's dead.
Oh, that's bad.
No,
No, it's red.
It's red.
It's red.
On my pants, it looked black. See what I'm saying?
okay.
Did you just pull that out of your car? Hood? Use your big boy muscles.
I put my big more muscle to put this on. That's clutch packs. Transmissions like these have clutch packs per inside the transmission, and the clutch packs are for shifting, and it's like ceramic smell, like the clutch in a car.
Okay, yeah, got it.
I smell that in the fluid.
It's not normal, is it?
The clutches on my trains is going out.
Yeah.
Wait. Sit.
Brand new.
Good
plug
boy.
in.
Right here. Oh. Oh, goodness. What a handsome baby. He's a big dog, dude.
I'm looking at the same.
These flowers that I'm looking at right now are so pretty. Do y'all see those flowers right there? That is what I get to look at when I clean the dishes. It's not a bad view. Whoa. No. Put your dirty laundry in the washing machine, Rachel. Jesus. Bigger muscle. Jake. Get in there.
I lost the auger.
Okay.
I lost the auger. I lost, I don't know, 300-400 pounds worth of equipment. Why is that? How did I lose it?
You tell me.
Because the grass grew.
So-
I can't see it. I just know where it's at.
Good, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters?
Baby, I think you got mayonnaise on your beard. Oh no, that's just a gray patch. You are wise, young one. Those hands. Why did you take it away?
You really just want to keep the camera on me, huh?
Yeah, you start the show, baby.
We're not going to start a show.
I love you.
Love you.
So these are officially dry. We're gonna water them. Ooh, that came out fast. We're watering our plants. That's wet. I watered them yesterday. No, I didn't. I'm just kidding. I watered them the day before that. Whee! Drink, my little ones. I need y'all to sprout already. Get it together. To the garden. This thing is huge. She's already went to seed, but I pulled her yesterday morning. So we're going to harvest her, to be honest. I just don't know where to harvest her at. Like, I don't even know how to compare. Here's my foot. She's huge. We're also harvesting this. She's so pretty, but I don't want her to go to waste. I'm gonna just thin her out.
We have one strawberry. You know what? She's not ready. See? She's still white on the inside. We're gonna leave her right there. We also have peppers. Our other ones are still growing, but we have peppers. Look at that.
What's that over there?
Where?
Right there.
Pumpkin. Zucchini. Look what else I found. Zucchini. I thought this was pumpkin. These were supposed to be pumpkins. What? Look at her. We're getting that one too. We're pulling this bok choy. Our tomatoes are ripening. That's one green bean. She's huge. Look at these. And these. I finally have lavender. These are our peas. No one ever told me how beautiful eggplants were. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look at that leaf. Do you see the purple on her? And she's like velvet. She's so soft. Good. And I might try it with we also don't want these onion tops to go to waste. They need a haircut. She's thick. We're also gonna pull this lettuce. It's flowering, so this will replant itself.
This is everything that we have harvested in the garden. Onion tops, lettuce, more lettuce, bok choy, a zucchini, and some green beans. Guys, this is the first harvest for us in 2025. Can you believe it? We're gonna go ahead and get all of this taken care of today. We're gonna wash these and get them in Ziploc bags in the freezer. You want to see them? They're so pretty. She was flowering. It's all basil lettuce. All basil. All. That is all basil seeds. Why are we saving the seeds? So we can replant them next year. Think it'll keep it fresher? Maybe. Big maybe. Get it there. There you go. Turbo. You're not gonna die, dude, I promise. Okay. Bok choy. I need coffee. I swear, y'all, I'm living off of caffeine, nicotine, and no sleep. Cheers. Hot. Spicy. Well, it is. We'll go outside. Yes. There's a strong possibility that there might be hay in these green onions. Don't ask questions. It's good for you. It's good protein. I'm gonna get these cut up and then I'll be back. Onion tops. I think I'm gonna do 2 bags, just in case. It's strong. It's so spicy. Woo, what? You're kidding. We are having fried wings. I'm scared because it popped. One of the wings popped, and it hit my head up here. I can already feel it blistering. It popped on my arm. That's blistered. I'm gonna flip these wings if it will let me. You're being rude. Being rude. Stop. And then we're gonna go switch the laundry. Stand on top of it, y'all. I'm telling you. That was gonna stick out like a sore thumb. Haha. Turd. I don't know if I flipped that one or not. I didn't. I think we have to rotate the blanket. Still wet. Just flipping it. Okay. You got it. You got it. This is the lettuce from the garden today. I've already rinsed it and let it sit in the fridge. And we're going to put a salad together because dinner's almost done. Look at that. That is just so pretty. No, I cannot believe it. I'm gonna be 36 tomorrow. That is so pretty. Not gonna do much because I think it's just me and Dad eating, and maybe Raiden or Eli. So I totally just realized something. I pulled this lettuce from the garden today, right? Today's Sunday, by the way, the 4th of May, and we have plans to go out of town for 2 days starting tomorrow. Okay. We're gonna add garlic and herb. Not too many. Ooh, that's pretty. Pecan, cranberries, and sunflowers. This is crispy onions. Oh, she's so bright and colorful. There's dinner. Fried chicken and a salad. I'm gonna dish up dinner and get everybody in here. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.